In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a review on Airbnb. This process is simple and straightforward, ensuring you can update your feedback with ease. To begin, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Airbnb account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Airbnb website and input your credentials to access your personal dashboard. Once you're on your dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see what is often referred to as the hamburger icon, the three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Click on this icon to open a menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Profile. Once you're in your Profile section, you'll notice a sub-option labeled Reviews I've Written. This is your gateway to all of the feedback you've previously offered. If this is your first time here, you might enjoy seeing all the interactions you've had on the platform in one convenient location. In this tutorial, I'm using a dummy account for demonstration purposes, so unfortunately, we won't see any reviews listed here. However, for those with actual account activity, this area will display a list of all the reviews you've published. Here's the fun part. To edit a review, simply click on the review that you wish to change. Once you've selected it, an edit window or page will open. This is where you can make any desired alterations to your text. Perhaps you want to add more detail, correct a typo, or adjust the tone. Whatever the reason, this is your opportunity to refine your words. After you've made the changes you wanted, the final step is straightforward. Just look for the Submit button. Clicking this will save your modifications and update your review on the Airbnb platform. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. Your timely edits will help ensure your feedback accurately represents your experience and can be a helpful resource for both future guests and hosts. Remember, leaving honest and constructive reviews not only assists the community, but also aids Airbnb in maintaining a high-quality service for everyone. Thank you for joining this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more insightful tips and tutorials. Your support helps us make more videos like this. We look forward to seeing you in the next one.